Welcome to Everyday AI. In this video, I will share you how to make Lahori Channa, a favorite dish of Lahoris. The ingredients to make Lahori Channa are white chana 2 cups soaked overnight, onion 2 large sliced, tomato 3 large chopped, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, green chilies 4, oil 1 cup. Masala ingredients are salt 1.5 tablespoon, red chili powder 1.5 tablespoon, Haldi half tablespoon, Zeera powder 1 tablespoon, Dhania powder 1 tablespoon, Chana masala 2 tablespoon, Anardana powder 1 tablespoon, Garam masala half tablespoon. In first step, boil chana. Soak chana 8 hours with 1 tablespoon baking soda. Boil with salt until soft 45 minutes. Save water, don't throw. In step 2, masala bunai. Heat oil, fry onions golden brown. Add ginger garlic, green chilies, fry 2 minutes. Add tomatoes, cook until oil separates. In step 3, mix and cook. Add all dry masalas. Bunai 3 minutes. Stir continuously on medium heat until fragrant and oil starts to separate. Add boiled chana with its water. Pour in the boiled chickpeas along with the reserved cooking water. Simmer 20 minutes low flame. Let it cook uncovered on low heat, stirring occasionally. Mash few chanas for thick gravy. Gently mash a few chickpeas with the spoon to thicken the gravy to desired consistency. In step 4, tarka and serving. Tarka and serve. Heat 2 tablespoons ghee, add zeera, curry leaves, dried red chili, pour hot tarka over chana, garnish ginger, Julienne, coriander, lemon wedges, chaat masala, serve hot with bhatura naan or puri. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel Everyday AI.